Hi, it's me.
Isn't this beautiful? It's a second flowering.
Today's video is about how to clean stains from your flowers, like this one. For example, we have very hard water in Malmö, Sweden, which also means that if I spray it and it's not distilled water or battery water or whatever water, it will stain. And I don't use distilled water for my flowers, but I have a trick how to get rid of it. So today we're gonna replant this one. No, not replant, repot this one and take off the stains. What you will need,
Hello!
is my boyfriend and lemon juice or a real lemon juice. Right now I don't have a lemon juice, but I normally have always the fake juice, as long as it's acidic. So what do we have? We have an epiphyllum of some sort. I don't remember name, or I think this is the yellow one. So anyway, anyhow, so what you would do, you would not drop that. You would most likely, I'm gonna repot this one. You have some dish, kind of dish, little dish. You can have, even if you eat sushi or something, another deli dish from sauce or something left, you just use that. So you put a little bit inside. For leaves with softer matter or more delicate leaves, I use my old blush brush, and for epiphyllums I use a paintbrush, little bit harder bristles. So what I normally do, I dip it and I just paint on the leaves or whatever you wanna clean, and like this. You can also add this one, do it, you know, put it in the spray bottle and spray it if the leaves are so sensitive, but I will try first at the tiny bit of leaves. This one is a new one, so this one don't need one. Try the other side, you know, just put it in. Nothing will happen to it. For this I know it will not happen anything. It will still be beautiful. So, and I will leave this like that, and meanwhile I will be, you know, checking the roots and what is inside. It's beautiful. Yes. Very nice. You can rub it with your fingers. On this one is very easy, and to do that. So, you know, checking the roots, if everything is okay. What do we have inside? If everything, oh yes, roots are nice. So, and now we're gonna repot this one in the bigger pot. Still doing nothing to it. Oh, the epiphyllum. And I don't know how I want it, if I want to put it up or down. Actually, I would put it like this. So, thank you. And, well, then you take more of, you know, it's my standard mix of soil this one is a little bit less it's more soil than it's sand or so, because I know it's epiphytic plant. It's a little bit more moisture. So yeah, put it nicely inside, and normally I know this one is tipping over, so I would take another thing to help it out, but this one is not cooperating, so I will, you know, do it like that, push it in, so it will, until it, you know, sets the roots, so it's lifted up nicely. And add a little bit of soil on this side, not too much, so I have room to water. So now it's probably like 2 or 3 minutes in, so what I would do, I would take this one again and rub it in again, so very quick, like this. So the acid in the lemon juice, the real lemon or the fake lemon, will dissolve the lime stain from the water, and then what I do is I have my soap, ecological washing, or yeah, whatever soap for floors, and I have a neem oil. I spray it on my lime cloth and just wipe it off, and it's gonna be beautiful. You know, it's, I wanna take all the dust off and give it a little bit of sheen too from the oil, just to clean it off. And I take a camera and I show you. This is before, and this is how it, when it's dry, how it's after. Isn't it beautiful? So now I have to water this baby, and we can repot another one. Hello, this is future me retouching the video, and I realized I didn't do any outro, so